Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. And it's like one of those times where I look at these and I go, which one should I show first? I'm going to show this one because I know how much you all love the tri background dies. And let me just tell you, this one's going to be one of your top faves. Because remember, these three pieces, there's 1, 2, 3. These three pieces are interchangeable with all of our other tri-background dies that you already have. So here we go. We have the cute little horseshoe because it's, for St. Patrick's Day. We have this fun double or argyle. And then we have these fun little shamrocks that kind of pop up. Lastly, we have So Lucky. Now, So Lucky is extra. It's not, you don't have to use it if you don't want to. Here's a better way to look at it so you can really see what it looks like. If you were to use just this die, this is what you're getting. But the So Lucky also has shadow dies, and that's not even shown here. But look at how fun those patterns are. You can mix and match these again with all of the other tri-background dies to make a creation all of your own. It's like Cabbage Patch dolls. Every single one's going to be different because you can mix and match with all the other tri-background dies. I have more samples to share with you, so stay tuned. Next, we have a big die, and I know it's going to be hard to see, so I'm going to show it to you here. Happy St. Patty's Day. This is a big one. Look at that. Takes up almost the whole card front. You could also put this on the inside of your card instead also. So the choice is yours. You could even do something like put this on the front and this on the inside. Oh, wouldn't that be fun? Isn't that cute? I absolutely love that. So that is a nice die. I also, what I did here, you guys, is here's the die. And then there's also these cute little extra little shamrocks, right? The little shamrocks. Well, I gave you the shamrocks separately also. So you could die cut this in one color and then die cut the little shamrocks in a different color, and you didn't have to cut them apart. You could just glue them on top. Yay, faster, faster, right? So adorable. I love that. This also has the tulle leather background die behind it and just looks so amazing, right? Last but not least, but very important to have because it's going to be one of those nesting dies that you grab all the time because it is so unique. It is our Deckle Edge squares, but with a twist because it has dot stitch, dot stitch, dot stitch. What do I mean? Well, let's look at this one. Hopefully the camera can get in close enough, but you will see the stitch dot, or dot stitch. But look at how beautiful that is. And when you nest them, it even looks more awesome. You could do a square card. Look at that. Oh, or you could go this way. Look at that. Fun. I love that. So it could be a square or a diamond. The choice is yours. Here's another cute one that you could even make it a stand-up. Look at our cute little gingerbread guys. Don't you just love them? Open that up and it can stand. Oh, so fun. Look at the inside. Isn't that adorable? So cute. Or you could go a little different. And I love this idea too because it's so important for you to see is add to make like a little window when you use foam squares at the back. So now we have that cute little frame all the way around that ladybug. What a unique idea, right? Something totally different outside of the box, just using these. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Now, let's look at some more samples that I have. You could turn that Happy St. Patty's Day into a card front, a shaped card if you wanted. So beautiful. Ooh, put it on some foil paper. Don't you just love that background? I love it. Oh, here's a nice one. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. And then I'm so lucky to be your friend. Don't you love that? And then that is, the inside is Sayings for Posies. Sayings for Posies. Love it. Here's one. Whoa, Nelly. Whoa, Nelly. Don't you just love that? Isn't that beautiful? Oh, and this size, just a heads up, this is a sneak peek for, the banner is a sneak peek for a future. Whoa, here we go. Oh my goodness. Are you ready for this? Leprechaun hat with Happy St. Patty's Day on it. Does it get better than that? The leprechaun hat is on our website. The cool thing about the leprechaun hat, my friends, is it also can be a snowman's hat. It can be other things as well. So make sure you go check that out. Love it. Now let's look at that tri-background die because the tri-background dies are so fun and interchangeable. So here we go. We have the argyle at the bottom with our cute little, this one says So Lucky. This one has one of our little hedgehogs on it. Or The horseshoe could be for a horse, right? Of course. Oh my goodness, how many times can I rhyme? So here we go. We have the horseshoe with our horse. Get well soon. Sorry you're a little horse. Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect. Here's a fun one as well. So lucky. I love that. And this one, look at that, fancy wancy. Remember our hidden hinge dies. That's where that came from. Look at that, my friends. Watch this. What? Secret little spot. I love it. So fun. And here's a cute one. Hey, Nomi. Hey, Nomi. Isn't that awesome? I love it. So lucky for your friendship. Don't you just love that? So lucky comes in that die set. My friends, the first 24 hours, these are on our website. They're on flash sale. So go check out our website ASAP because club members, yes, you also get your discount on top of the flash sale prices. Yay! Go check it out, thestamsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.